Oh, Jesus!
You got the teasers, Pete?
Well, not yet. Right, mate. Keep winding, keep winding. Back your drag, I'll bring your rod up here, mate. You right? Yep. Who's got
Callagher on Graham and me.
Look at the sounder.
There's someone just right next to me.
Fuck. Good shot.
We going all right, boys, or what?
Yep, we're good.
These two are getting really close together.
Oh well. Deal with it.
Step back, mate.
Yeah, I'm back. Yay! Beautiful.
I'm in.
What's your feet on?
Got it?
There we go on this side, boys. Come back
Watch
over.
the cracker.
Stick that somewhere up there.
Watch the hook up top, mate. Yep.
Right, mate.
Good shit.
You right, Pete?
Yeah, we're alright.
Lovely fish, aren't they?
Hey, good night. Species.
This hooker doesn't want to go to this side of the moat.
I'll just...
Put some wines down on him. Keep winding. Lovely fish, aren't they?
Good shit. Like that.
Sorry, Pete, I'm struggling, mate.
Oh, mate, come on, you're not trying hard enough. Thing's giving him nothing but the shit.
Fucking hell. Good. Got it. Alright, you alright? So we're waiting on the old man.
Yeah.
Come on, old fella.
Alright.
Fucking bloodbath on there.
Shit.
Ashika.
What's
Now
wrong?
bring her in.
What's wrong?
No, leave it. It's all good.
Bigger one.
Call him old? Hey, he's just hitting his straps. You're just getting in the zone, aren't you, boy?
Don't go overboard.
That's your peasant. See, mate?
Yep, there's got to be there's too much concern.
Your official emergency broadcaster.
There we go. Nearly there.
Well angled. Bring him up now. Up the short punch, that's it. Perfect.
Seven there, 2 6.
Paul Senior! I think you've got the chocolate. Only two. What do you want me to grab?
Any loggers in the way? What do you think?
I'm in the way of the I'm in the way of the outrigger.
You're still
Just missed me, Graham.
I'm ready. Over here. Tracker's ready. Tracker's ready.
Mate, you've got to go round the back of the boat if he's under the motors, yeah?
Right over that fish is right over this side.
Oh, yeah, he's right under, so we've got to work him.
Pump!
Change him, change him.
That's what you get, man. Watch it, don't stand back, mate.
No, but under them.
Keep winding.
Like that. It's that one.
He's under the boat!
Right, do you want some of these others up?
Yeah, mate. Grab those pieces in or any of those logs that are in place. You bastard.
Now I'll get a photo of that fish, Pete.
Get you in the car.
Hold it up.
Ah, you dirty little puss. Here, hold it up, I want a photo.
Jack's about to come out. Be careful.
Oh, fuck off.
Don't worry about it, Pete. I think he's a bit bloody, that one.
You can send that one to the greenies. Ah,
Can you tell Peter didn't want his photo taken?
fucking love it.
I'm going to wash it down, or you're right?